Namaste. Welcome to our day 28. Let's begin today's practice in laying down position. So lie down, shake your legs, bend your knees and hug them. Inhale, lift your head up, touch your forehead to the knee. Exhale, drop your head down. Let go of the right leg. Grab your left foot for half happy baby. Release, change your leg, right leg. Release. Shake your leg and bend your both knee for full happy baby. Inhale. With exhale, press your knee towards the ground. And then rock side to side. That's good. And let go of the legs. Shake them one more time. Bend the knee and drop the knee to the side. Open your hips. Keep your one hand onto another leg to make sure it's not lifting. And inhale. As you exhale, drop the leg to the other side for twist. Back to the center. Change your leg. Drop the leg to the side. Open your hips. And then twist. Exhale. Inhale back. Bring the hands on the side. Bend your both knee. And drop the both knee to the right. Look to the left. Back to the center. And drop both legs to the left. Look to the right. Inhale up, exhale to the right, look to the left. Inhale up, exhale to the left. Back to the center. Stretch your legs out. Shake them. Bend the knee. Bring the right knee onto the left thigh. Hands on the ground. And then raise your left leg on the 90-degree up. Exhale down. Try not to touch the ground. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Then grab your thigh with your hands and try pull your leg towards your chest. You can bend the knee if you want to. Exhale, release. Change your leg. Left foot onto the right leg, right thigh. Hands on the ground. Lift the right leg on the 90-degree up. Then exhale down. Try not to touch the ground. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Then grab the thigh with your hands. Pull the leg towards you. Bend the knee if you need to. Exhale down. Place your feet on the ground. You can bring the hand on the back of your head and drop your knee to the right, center to the left, center right, center left. Let's do 2 more times. Center right, center left, center right, center left. Back to the center. Shake your leg. Then keep your feet together, hands by the side. Tuck your chin to the chest. Inhale, lift your both legs up. Push with your hands and elbows. Lift all the way. Support your back with your hands. Support your hips. Stay wherever you are. And breathe. To come out of the pose, you want to lower your hip down, support your hips and keep rolling all the way down without lifting your neck or shoulder. Then bring your hands under your body, your elbows all the way in. Inhale, lift your head up, look at your toes. Then extend your chest out. Drop the top of the head on the ground. Lift your head up, look at your toes. Drop your head down, drop your body down. Feet apart, hands apart, palm facing up at the ceiling. Let go and rest between 30 seconds to up to 2 minutes. Whenever you're ready, sit up. Sit in any comfortable position. Take your time. Once you're ready, give thanks in prayer pose. And very slowly open your eyes. Namaste.